Hello viewers, on the festive occasion of Durga Puja, I decided to make the very best showstopper Ilish Paturi recipe using the whole Hilsa fish. Here I have a whole Ilish Macher. I have descaled it, gutted it and put some cuts on both sides of the fish. I have also chopped its fins. Now I am going to show you how to make the marinade for the fish. Put 3 tablespoons of thick yogurt or dahi into a mug or a bowl. I will be putting some minced ginger or ada, some chopped green chilies, and some chopped coriander leaves into the mug, followed by 4 tablespoons of grated desiccated coconut. You can use fresh shredded coconut as well. 2 tablespoons of ground poppy seed paste or posto butter. 2 teaspoons of turmeric or haldi powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Salt according to your taste. Around 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. 1 heaped teaspoon of whole grain mustard paste or shorshe butter. Mix everything together with a spoon so that it blends in nicely. And that's the marinade done. Here I have some banana leaves which I have given a good clean and run them over a flame to make them more pliable. Put a spoonful of marinade on the banana leaf and spread it around. You can put a bit more marinade if you want. Then place the Ilish Macher on top of the marinade. As you can see, the fish is totally gutted and I have removed all the guts and the gills from the fish. Now I am going to put the rest of the marinade on top of the fish. Rub the marinade nicely all over the fish. Make sure you put some inside the cuts on the fish. Put some inside the belly of the fish as well as inside the head. Turn the fish over and do the same on the other side. Ensure that you put some of the marinade inside the cuts so that the flavors go inside deep. That's the fish marinated. Now let's wrap the fish up in layers of banana leaves. Make sure that you have at least 4 to 5 banana leaves to secure the fish tightly. Follow the process that I am showing here. It does not need to be neat, just very secure so that the marinade does not seep out of the packet. Use strings to secure the packet. Now in a large baking tray, we are going to pour some mustard oil and spread it around. Make sure that the gas is on. Then place the paturi, the fish in the banana leaves, inside the tray. Be careful while doing it. We are going to lightly fry the banana leaf packet on both sides on medium flame. Then we are going to cover the tray with some kitchen foil and seal it nicely. In a larger baking tray, I am going to pour some hot water and then place the other tray on top of it and let it cook on low heat for at least an hour. That's our fish on the flame now getting steamed. After an hour, carefully remove the foil. Cut the strings and let's start opening the banana packet. It smells wonderful. Let's open it up and see if the fish is done. And there you have the very bestest Ilish Paturi ever. It's nicely cooked, it smells wonderful, and it'll taste delicious. Garnish with juliennes of ginger, chopped chilies and coriander leaves, and serve this dish as your centerpiece item for an Ashtami or Navami lunch or dinner. Wishing you all a very happy Durga Puja. May Ma Durga bless you all. Eat, drink and be merry. Enjoy!